One thing about life ni pé, and Nigeria is not a country, but a lot of you will probably don't want to listen because you have been told lies for a very, very long time. And it's just a shame that we have Nigerians that are having one hope that Nigeria will be great and you would all have opportunity. Well, I pray you will, but I know such a prayer is not going to happen. One thing is, Nigeria is not and will never work. I have told you this. You have all just concluded an election that has been rigged, that is not going to give you a good outcome. We have told you continuously that there is no point living in denial. We are not one. And whatever is happening today is something that was forced on every single one of us. But some of us will not get tired from telling you, the Yorùbás. You can listen to the Western world that is telling you democracy will be built on lies. In Germany, democracy is built on one language. In France, democracy is built on one language. In Norway, in Denmark, and so many other countries around the globe. But Nigerians also want such a democracy in a country where we don't love each other. And you can see what is playing out from the north to the south to the southeast to the middle belt, where everybody is trying to play the ethnic card. Why don't we just allow everyone to go and do such in their own sovereign nation? And that will be much better. That will be much less problem. But since nobody wants such, what we are going to end up witnessing is what you are saying, what you're saying rather, presently in today's Nigeria. Nigeria is not for us, and it can never be for us. You can complain and moan, but one thing is, it is not going to change anything. There will be more suffering, there will be more pain. A lot of you will cry in the long run. There will be no education, no good health care, no good road network, less good welfare, and your life is not going to change. And that is why we are saying that, why do we then want to save a country that doesn't want to save us? We should better off now to get the hell out of Nigeria so that we can have a better opportunity as Yoruba people. Yoruba, come back home, come back home. You don't have a home in the first place. Your home is under the oligarch of so much trouble. Kí la fi wá mú nílé? Ilé tí kò sálàáfíà, ilé tí kò sí àṣeyọrí, ilé tí ẹ lè jẹun lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta lójúmọ́, ilé tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ rí láìlé lórí àdúrà nìkan ni. No opportunity. Kí ló wà nílé? Àwa better off tá ṣe wà níta. Kí la fi wá mú nílé? Èyí tẹ́ wà nílé, tẹ́ bá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ Yorùbá nation, ìyà máa jẹ ṣégè sí yín lára. Ìyà yín ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Ìyà yín ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìyà tẹ́ ti jẹ láti 1999. Kò tí tó àbí? Ẹ sì máa jẹ púpọ̀ sí, ó kù díẹ̀ ni. But àwọn ò ní dákẹ́. A máa sọ fún yín pé Yorùbá nation òun nìkan ló lè ṣe. Any other thing is a fraud. Nigeria has been a fraud since 1914. And the 1960 Nigeria become an independent country is also a fraud. Fraud yẹn náà lẹ́tí ń lò bọ̀ láti 1999 títí di wákàtí. So kí ni nǹkan tá fi wá mú nílé? Kí ló wà nílé tá fi wá mú nílé? Nigeria is at the verge of breakup, and there's no doubt in my mind it will break up. We will continue with the campaign for Yoruba Nation. We will not get tired, and we will give you every reasons all the time why the Yoruba people should get the hell out of Nigeria right now. KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.